Join Restoration Ministries Prayerline International at 12 noon Jamaica time and 1 p.m. U.S. time this week, September 27 to 30, 2021, for a word of encouragement. That's a powerful noonday word of encouragement from Restoration Ministries Prayerline International. Tune in to listen Minister Darren Manning on Monday, September 27, Elder Richard Green on Tuesday, September 28, and Overseer Juanita Keene on Wednesday and Thursday, September 29 and 30. Restoration Ministries Prayerline International. Pastor Winsome Ramsey. For prayer, call 319-527-2040. Tune in and be blessed.
In the midst of